Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. In that lecture, we're gonna talk about how can we handle 3-axis or 2-axis toolpath by using the practice example. Actually, we're gonna see that our solid model. Let me turn back to the SolidWorks. This is my model, and then we're gonna get that model into our MasterCAM, and then we're gonna create our toolpath. You're gonna see that this is gonna be my face toolpath and delete operation. After that, we're gonna see the 2D high-speed toolpath for and actually inside pocket, and then we're gonna see the outside high-speed toolpath, and then I'm gonna see and some pocket and contour operation, and then we're gonna see this some roughing process for finish contour toolpath, and then we're gonna see actually here for roughing and pocket operation and another pocket operation by using and actually the same face, and then we're gonna see the surface blend toolpath for finishing process, and then we created transform mirror toolpath for here, and then we're gonna turn to the finish operation. This is the contour ramp, and after that we can also see the contour ramp here for the inside of my pocket, and then we're gonna see the final operation for pocket, and then we're gonna see the surface finish contour toolpath, and then as a final we're gonna see actually final finishing process for this area. And that's it. You can see in that lesson you're gonna see all the detail about and that actually 15 toolpaths and the other extended and entities, for example, that's boundary and surface and other stuff. Okay, you can also find that folder